Alright, you guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart again today. I went early in the morning, so I found this one. I found two trucks, but I'm going to do this one first, of course. I could do it. Monster Jam, Sword of Fortune, Black Ops, guys. Part of the arena favorites. Of course, the back. Real trucks for Action Monster Jam. Pretty awesome. There it is. It's an unboxing. Ooh, okay. Hold on. Does it put the light on it? There it is. Or you have it. Sword of Fortune Black Ops. Look at this, guys. BKT tires, black rims, and beadlocks. Look at that glossy black body. Look at that. So nice. And there's like a little bit of matte going on here as well. Silver Monster Jam logo. There's the taillights. Sword of Fortune Black Ops. You can see it. Really cool. Black roll cage. Gray chassis. Really cool. I like this one a lot. I'm glad I found this one finally. You guys got one more to go. Peace out.